This is my tomatoes, and those are all my sunflowers. But this started grow flowers, see?
Mm-hmm.
And the corn started out corn. See that thing right there? It helps your corn.
What's this?
It's a little watermelon, everybody. And we make it cucumber.
Well, this is zucchini. You want to see the big one that just grew?
Uh-huh.
Look how big that one is.
See, everybody? That's bikini.
Why don't you stand near your sunflowers and show everyone how tall they are?
And everyone. Those sunflowers are bigger like mommy. And when you go up the stairs like this, those sunflowers are bigger like me.
Yeah. Say hi, Connor.
Hi,
Connor,
Connor.
say hi.
And that's the